Today I'm taking a look at the furniture dollies. So it looks like they do come pre-assembled, so I do not have to attach the wheels to it. An interesting little triangle pattern here on the top for our texture. We have some good feeling casters, and it appears that 2 of them are our locking casters. So if we want to make sure that this isn't going to go anywhere, we can lock those up. You can see on the side we got these 2 hooks, one going up, one going down. And we got the same thing on this side. So with that, we can lock these 2 guys together. There you go. That actually rolls very nicely as well. And I do like that they put both the locking casters on the outside, so even while this thing is locked together, we're going to have access to all of our locking casters. And it also came with this, so it's a fairly thick strap. And this is the design I like, so all this is, we got some teeth right here. We can just push the strap through it. We can pull to whatever length we got, and it will not pull back through unless we release the clip here. So nice and easy, a lot easier than something like a ratchet strap. You just need to tie things up quickly, make sure it isn't going to fall over. This is a good way to do it. So I'm curious if it'll be big enough to hold one of these drives. There we go. So yeah, that is just about the most perfect size for it. And it rolls super smooth. So I was thinking we were going to need to use 2 of them put together, but it looks like it is just barely large enough we could use a 1 for 1 drive. I think for safety it might be better to put 2 of them together like we had before, but realistically we could use it just like that. And it rolls super smooth, so we're all with some very nice little dollies.